Have you noticed changes in size or firmness over time and started to wonder, is this just part of aging? Here's the truth. While shrinkage is common, it's not inevitable. And the even better news? There are simple, science-backed ways to prevent and even reverse it. Today, I'll walk you through the real causes behind penile shrinkage and give you a clear, step-by-step plan to restore blood flow, support tissue health, and rebuild confidence. I'm Dr. M, your men's health and sexual medicine physician. Let's get started. Blood flow. Your erectile tissue depends on a rich supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through the bloodstream. But as you age, blood vessels can become less efficient due to the following. Atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque that narrows and stiffens your arteries. Fewer nocturnal erections, your body's natural way of keeping erectile tissue healthy during sleep. Lower testosterone levels, which reduce tissue sensitivity and regeneration. Weight gain and insulin resistance, which impair circulation and create both real and perceived shrinkage. The result? The tissue gradually loses tone and elasticity and begins to atrophy. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Here are 4 essential steps to prevent shrinkage. 1. Support blood vessel health. Eat nitrate-rich foods like beets, spinach, and arugula to improve nitric oxide and blood flow. Add magnesium and daily physical movement to keep vessels flexible and responsive. 2. Manage your waistline. Excess belly fat increases estrogen, decreases testosterone, and impairs circulation, a perfect storm for shrinkage. Aim to reduce visceral fat through diet and consistent movement. 3. Maintain regular erections. This isn't just about sex, it's biology. Regular erections, even if solo or assisted with a pump, keep the erectile tissue oxygenated and active. 4. Prioritize deep sleep. 7+ hours of restful sleep is when your body produces testosterone and triggers nocturnal erections, both essential for long-term penile health. Here is a 5-step plan to reverse penile shrinkage. If you've already noticed changes, don't panic. Here's a clinically inspired roadmap to restore function and improve vascular support. 1. Rebuild blood vessel lining. Increase your intake of magnesium, vitamin C, and flavonoids, compounds found in leafy greens, citrus, and berries that help repair endothelial cells. 2. Use vacuum therapy. Backed by studies, vacuum pumps increase circulation and stretch erectile tissue. Use for 3 to 5 minutes under vacuum, release and repeat twice, and aim for 4 to 5 sessions per week. 3. Massage after pumping. Use a lubricant and firm pressure to move blood from the base to the tip, helping expand tissue and improve overall blood flow. 4. Boost testosterone naturally. Daily testicular massage in the shower stimulates the Leydig cells, responsible for producing over 90% of testosterone in your body. 5. Reduce insulin resistance. Dropping excess belly fat improves blood vessel function, balances hormones, and restores better proportions to your entire pelvic area. Final thoughts? Keep the blood flowing. Think of every erection as a workout for your erectile tissue. The more you support your circulation, hormones, and daily movement, the better your tissue functions, regenerates, and performs. So whether you're trying to prevent changes or make a comeback, your vascular health is the key to preserving your confidence, your function, and your performance at any age. Start today and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more expert strategies on men's health and sexual wellness. Drop a comment below if there's a topic you want me to cover next. I'm Dr. M, and I'll see you in the next one.